Yo, let's look at find and replace in the 2.0 editor. It's just way better. It's just Control F on Windows or Command F on Mac instead of two different commands like it used to be. It's just one command. You find, you type stuff. Let's say it's further down. It'll scroll to find the thing you're trying to find. That's all good, right? But there's a bunch of other things in here. Basically, it's as powerful as you'd want it to be. If I just look for Chris here, it's going to find all these Chris's. How useful is that? This first one just means make it case sensitive. So if it is case sensitive, it's not matching this first one because I put a lowercase c in my name here, so it's not matching that one. Match whole words is the next one. It's a little funkier, but it's like you need to find Chris and just Chris, not Christopher. So if I click that on, it's not matching Christopher. That's not the whole word. It needs to find it that way. It's just smart in that way. That's kind of cool. And the last one is regex. So it'll just, it'll kind of work how you think it is, but it'll have regex stuff in it. So like if you spelled Chris with a K, even though that's not really how they spell it or whatever, you could do something like that as a group and then Chris, and it's going to match all of that. Fine, right? The arrow keys just go between which one you're actually replacing. Now that that's actually selected, I could like tab down into the editor or whatever and change the actual text of the one that I've actually selected. But mostly it's like if you find multiple matches, it's helping you arrow up and down through them so that you can see the one you're actually trying to find for. And then select all is kind of useful too, in that I'll do Chris, I'll select all of the ones that it finds, and then I can type, and it's replacing all three of them at once. That could be extra useful for like you're replacing a CSS variable name or something. I also, sometimes I don't even use find and replace for that though. I do this, and then like if they're identical, I can select one and hit Command D if I have the Sublime text key bindings on, and then I can replace them both. I find that that's nice too, but our find and replace is better. Now, replace is just, you just open the arrow. So it's all in one place. You don't have to remember multiple commands. If I said replace Chris with Bob, that's fine. It's going to replace the first instance of it with this button. You can do them one at a time if you want to review them. Of course, I can Command Z out of or I can just click the button and, oops, I lost Bob. Just do them all at once with this button. And that's find and replace in the 2.0 editor. It's way better. It's what you expect. Yay.